Vietnam, a land of vibrant green rice paddies and bustling cities, holds a secret. Hidden within its borders lies a world teeming with unique and diverse life. From the soaring peaks of the Annamite Mountains to the depths of the Mekong Delta, Vietnam is a haven for an astonishing array of plants and animals. This incredible biodiversity makes Vietnam a true treasure trove of natural wonders. However, this rich tapestry of life faces increasing threats, and many species are on the brink of extinction. Among the most threatened are the Javan rhinoceros and the Saola, two elusive creatures that symbolize the fragility of Vietnam's wildlife. Their plight highlights the urgent need for conservation efforts to protect this irreplaceable natural heritage. In the face of growing human pressure, understanding these animals, their struggles, and the efforts to save them is crucial. It is a call to action for us all to become guardians of this precious planet and ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures for generations to come. The Javan rhinoceros, once widespread across Southeast Asia, is now a shadow of its former self. With its thick armor-like skin and distinctive single horn, this magnificent creature evokes a sense of awe and wonder. Sadly, the Javan rhino is now critically endangered, clinging to survival in a tiny corner of the world. Cat Tien National Park, a protected area in southern Vietnam, is the last refuge for this iconic species. However, even within these protected boundaries, the Javan rhino faces an ongoing battle for survival. Habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment has shrunk their once vast territory to a fraction of its former size. The illegal wildlife trade, driven by the insatiable demand for rhino horn in some cultures, adds another layer of threat to their existence. Deep in the Annamite Mountains, another remarkable creature, the Saola, roams the dense forests. This elusive animal, often called the Asian unicorn due to its rarity, was only discovered in 1992, highlighting the incredible biodiversity yet to be fully understood in Vietnam. The Saola, with its striking long, straight horns and a distinctive white marking on its face, is a symbol of the region's unique and irreplaceable wildlife. However, like the Javan rhino, the Saola is critically endangered. Its shy nature and preference for remote, undisturbed forests make it incredibly difficult to study and protect. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation for agriculture and infrastructure development, is the most pressing threat to the Saola's survival. Entanglement in snares set for other animals also poses a significant risk to this already dwindling population. Section 4. Threats to Vietnam's wildlife. The Javan rhino and the Saola are not alone in their struggle for survival. Across Vietnam, a wide range of species faces similar threats. Deforestation, driven by illegal logging and land conversion for agriculture, is decimating vital habitats at an alarming rate. This loss of habitat not only destroys the homes of countless species, but also fragments populations, making them more vulnerable to extinction. Poaching, fueled by the demand for wildlife products in illegal markets, is another grave threat to Vietnam's biodiversity. From tigers and elephants to pangolins and turtles, a vast array of animals is targeted for their body parts, which are used in traditional medicine, fashion, or as exotic pets. The consequences of these activities are devastating. As forests disappear and species vanish, the delicate balance of ecosystems is disrupted, leading to a cascade of negative impacts on the environment and human well-being. Section 5. Conservation efforts, a ray of hope. Amidst these challenges, there is hope. Across Vietnam, dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect the country's endangered species and their habitats. The government has established national parks and protected areas such as Cat Tien National Park and Phu Mat National Park to safeguard critical ecosystems. Anti-poaching patrols are being strengthened to combat the illegal wildlife trade and protect vulnerable species from harm. Community-based conservation programs are empowering local communities to become stewards of their natural resources, promoting sustainable livelihoods that coexist with wildlife. Furthermore, research and monitoring programs are providing invaluable data to inform conservation strategies and track the progress of conservation efforts. By understanding the threats, identifying critical habitats, and implementing effective conservation measures, there is hope that the decline of Vietnam's endangered species can be reversed. Section 6. Our role in conservation. The fate of Vietnam's endangered species, from the iconic Javan Rhino to the elusive Saola, rests not only on the efforts of conservationists and policymakers, but also on the actions of every individual. We can all play a role in protecting these magnificent creatures and ensuring their survival for generations to come. By supporting organizations involved in conservation efforts, we can contribute to the protection of critical habitats, anti-poaching initiatives, and community-based conservation programs. Making responsible choices as consumers is crucial. By rejecting products derived from endangered species such as rhino horn or ivory, we can help dismantle the illegal wildlife trade that threatens their survival. Raising awareness about the plight of endangered species and the importance of conservation is essential. By sharing our knowledge with family, friends, and communities, we can inspire others to join the movement to protect our planet's biodiversity. The future of Vietnam's wildlife hangs in the balance. It is up to us to act as responsible stewards of the natural world and ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to grace our planet for generations to come.